Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We have just taken in this beautiful 2019 on a 19 plate Suzuki Ignis 1.2 Dualjet SZ5 Automatic, finished in blue metallic. It's done 16,816 miles. It's registered 7th of March 19. Absolutely beautiful car in outstanding condition. I would say this is a really stunning sort of blue metallic on this vehicle. It's top of the range, you know, you've got sort of beautiful chrome surrounding front grille, and that extends to the front fog lamps. Unmarked alloy wheels done in a sort of charcoal grey, which offsets the blue perfectly. Unmarked electric door mirrors with indicators concealed into door mirrors, privacy glass, roof rails. It's a great car, this, absolutely great. Decent sized tailgate, 50/50 split rear seat system. Check underneath here, all the pump kit, etc. Everything's there with the car. Locking wheel nut, look, all there. Unmarked boot. It's not had a heavy life, this vehicle, at all. Great condition and a wonderful colour. Comes with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty. And here at TW White & Sons, we'll take any vehicle in part exchange. We'll be as competitive as any of the online companies vying for your business, and we'll be as competitive as any of the companies advertising on national television. So 12 months Suzuki approved warranty with 12 months roadside assistance. Keyless entry on this model. Electric windows all round, with one touch facility on the driver's side. Electric door mirrors. Sitting inside the vehicle, first switch we come to is engine stop start button. Obviously it's keyless entry, and a traction control. Minor switches here to adjust panel light, rear stat, and info button, trip meter, etc. I'll show you some of those features. We'll just confirm the mileage. This is a terrific car. Ideal on town driving with the auto box, but also brilliant on the motorways as well. When you get 50 miles per gallon out of one of these, perhaps even more. But you got, if you look at the center here, got really well laid out instrument binnacle, tachometer, rev counter, speedo, and on the right hand side, gear selector indicator. You can see miles 16,816. It's even got some fuel in it, which is nice. I don't understand why. Yes, 51 Fahrenheit rather. I was thinking, God, if that's centigrade, with something's definitely happened, but it's definitely Fahrenheit. Very clear indication. And here, if I just press this info button, you can see that you get statistics like instant fuel economy readout as you're driving along, average fuel economy after you've done a journey. We've obviously reset that. Range is 78 miles, but it will increase obviously, but we're stood here in the workshop here, our Byfleet branch, static, so that's not going to climb at all until we're actually out on a journey. Average speed 20 miles an hour. Driving time, it's a wonderful little car, this. And trip meter as well. You can adjust elements of the trip meter. See, zero that. If I keep my finger on this info button, it should go into the, yes it does, goes into the car's menu here, where you can adjust stuff like your distance in units, fuel economy, meter, etc. So really good, really good. You see, you can, and then it goes down to temperature, clock setting, door locks, lights. You can set this car up to suit your individual tyre pressure monitoring system, your individual tastes. Back to it. So here on the steering wheel, multifunction steering wheel, the info button, which essentially adjusts that, but so does this to the right of the steering wheel. Volume controls, mode button to switch between the sources on this wonderful Suzuki in-car entertainment system. Integrated Bluetooth with voice control, cruise control here. Wipers are neatly positioned here, very straightforward. Rear wiper, front wipers, mist setting off, intermittent, low and high. Auto lights with fog lamps, all concentrated on left-hand stalk, so it couldn't be easier. Climate control, air conditioning, you just hit auto and the display lights up. It will direct air and adjusts the fan automatically according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. If you want to come off automatic, you just press mode and it'll take you off auto or adjust the fan speeds like so. Temperature, somebody set this up in Fahrenheit. Reset button or taking air from the outside in, you see elements of that display changing. Air conditioning off auto, which is the auto climate control. Front demist, heated rear window. Down here you've got it's absolutely brilliant. You've got a lane departure warning system and a smart city brake support. So this is such a good spec, this car. USB plug-in, 12 volt plug-in. It's very straightforward. Manual, automatic, which you can drive in a manual sense of the word, up and down the box, or you just leave it in D and drive it like an ordinary automatic. It's just such a wonderful drive, and what a great condition car. Look at the dashboard panel, unmarked, seats unmarked. Been really well looked after. If you're after a small automatic, this car is it. So here it's the touch screen Suzuki in-car entertainment system. You can adjust and work things from this button here, but for the purposes of this I'll just show you. So you've got here FM, you've also got DAB, 6 presets per waveband. If I touch this cog button here, it'll take you into other menus such as the sound settings. So if you like your music, you can adjust bass, treble, balance, fader, equalizer presets, and speed dependent volume control, which adjusts the sound level to compensate for any road or engine noise. And everything is, couldn't be easier. Back button. So back to the home screen. So to summarise that, you've got DAB, FM, AM, it's all touch screen, 6 presets per waveband. Satellite navigation, confirm. The map looks like this. Very straightforward. Back to, just show you this again. You can type it, put in an address, points of interest nearby, points of interest search. This is what happens when we go in here. So you can go to that, but I wanted to show you points of interest nearby. Yes, if you want to find out banking or business, again, you just touch on that. Automatic teller machine. It'll tells you exactly where things are. Highlight where you want to go. The nav does it for you. Will take you there. Obviously you've got to drive the car, but it will take you there. But really good navigation system. Home screen, integrated Bluetooth, and again add a device, and you can go into the cog button again and it will bring you up a further sub menu where you can make your final adjustments. Back to the home screen, smartphone linkage, connect your smartphone. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It will take Apple CarPlay, and the good advantage with that, of course, is that you're able to the icons you get on your Apple phone or your Android phone will appear on screen, so you can access things like Spotify, give you a wider library of music. Just plug your phone in using the USB and it'll do it all for you. And you can activate stuff like Waze navigation, which is a superb sat nav program that that has come onto the market, as you know. So you got two choices of sat nav. You got Suzuki's or Waze. You got music through a DAB radio, crystal clear sound, 6 presets per waveband. You got integrated Bluetooth with voice control, full smartphone linkage. It couldn't be better. Also, camera. Sorry about the junk behind, but it's got reverse camera. So there it is, 2019 on a 19 plate Suzuki 1.2 Dualjet SZ5 automatic, finished in blue, done 16,816 miles. Will come with smart city brake support just down there and lane departure warning. Smartphone linkage, sat nav, DAB radio, cruise control, auto lights, traction control, fuel computer. It is a complete specification automatic car. These are just so quick. They're selling like hotcakes, these Ignises, because they are quirky. It's such a nice design. The actual visibility that you get from this vehicle driving it around is second to none. And this being a top spec car, it's just a great little car. Big fan of Suzuki, excellent Japanese engineering and reliability. And as I say, will come with a year's Suzuki approved warranty. If you want to, we'll shortly be loading up pictures of this. So if you want to find out more about this wonderful SZ5 Ignis automatic, please go onto our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.